Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down.
Baby, I ain't fighting with no random, period.
Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back anyways. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I haven't posted in a minute, y'all, and I'm sorry. Life got the best of me and I'm tripping. So yeah. Anyway, tag on this one. Anyway. The look that I'm looking at. Okay. The look I did today is this one right here. I used some new products that I really, really like. I did a cut crease and everything else is kind of self-explanatory. Stuff that I've done before, stuff that you've seen before. However, this video kind of goes fast, but feel free to pause it at any time to get your life. Okay, so this bun is hurting. And I don't know why I was yelling, but I'm done with that part of my life. So, yeah, so basically I use all the same products I have been using. I did use a new product from a company called JLarue. And I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but hopefully I am. I used a white gold pigment color that is awesome. Oh my God, that hurt so bad. Jesus! Okay. That's the devil. Shout out to my best friend Sean for braiding my hair. She is my braider. She did an amazing job. If you live in the area, if not, if you don't live in the area, still hit her up, okay? Baby girl, you won't regret it. I forgot some beads. Light, y'all. Let me tell you about my light today. My light did what it wanted to do today. I look like a ghost the entire video. But my face is not ghostly right now, which tells me that my light is too bright or it's too close or it's in the wrong spot. I did cut my lights off and now I cut them back on. And I don't really think there's a difference. But if there is, somebody let me know so that I can fix my lighting. Because I bought a Diva ring light and like it's expensive and I want to use it. But if it's going to mess up my videos and have me look like a ghost, I will leave it where it's at. Anyways, we're getting off topic. This has nothing to do with makeup or this tutorial. Well, yes, it does. So I'm right. Let's finish talking. I'm done. So, oh, let me show y'all something. Hold on. Me and my friend made shoes the other day, y'all, and I'm so pleased with them, and I want to show them off. Look at this. I made these. Aren't these cute? Good. Okay, I'm not selling them for nothing, because you can go buy them yourself, but I just wanted to share. All right, y'all have a good day. All right, let's get into this tutorial. So I did my eyebrows off camera because it takes a while and I'm trying to make this as short as possible. So we're taking my Tarte shape tape and we're putting it on our eyelids just as our base so our eyeshadows will not move or crease during our shadow process. I'm also going to take my Mercier setting powder and put it on my eyelids. This is just going to set it so, again, my eyeshadow won't crease and move and stuff. So today we're going to use the Zulu by Juvia's palette. I told y'all I had more than one palette. We're going to take this really, really pretty orange color. We're going to put that all over our lid. Y'all, excuse the fact that my palette was crumbled up and broke. I'm upset about it. I think this was a gift. Anywho. So, we're just taking that and we're going to put that all over our lid. We're just going to pack that in. Pack it in. Pack it in. Don't worry about blending. Just pack it in. Pack that color in. Pack it in. The next color we're going to take is this yellow shade. And we're just going to put it right above our orange shade. Just to kind of sunset that orange a little bit. So it won't be, so bright. It's going to end up working out, y'all, in our favor at the end. I know it looks kind of weird right now, but just trust me. Trust the process. All right, so that's basically all I'm doing. I'm going to flip to the other eye, but I don't think I'm going to put that on camera because it's just going to be wasting time. Do to one eye as you do to the other. All right, so now we're going to take this pink shade. It's actually pink, but on camera it looks red. It has like a red tone to it. And I'm not a fan of red for real. So it's pink, you guys. And we're just going to put that on our lid. Don't worry about trying to be cute because we're going to cover that up in a minute. Just pack it on as much as you can. So today I chose to do a cut crease. And you guys, I have to tell y'all, it looks so good. Oh my God. All right, so I took a brush that I made into a cut crease brush by watching another YouTuber. And I made it really, really flat. Cut the extra kind of brushes at the top. And it helps so much. It helps so much. So just cut that crease as much as you can. And I left it an open cut crease because I'm going to put colors back there. So now we're going to take our setting spray. I mean, not setting spray. I'm tripping. Our setting powder. And I'm going to put that all over our lid. I was contemplating using this palette, but nah. Oh, look at my favorite. Hey, James. All right, so we're going to take that shimmery kind of pearl color, and we're going to add that to our cut crease just in the corner, though, you guys. Do not put this all over your lid, only in the corner. Because we're going to put other colors on the outside. All right, so we're going to go back in with that pink color that I told you is not red but looks red. And we're just going to put that right next to our pearl color. And we're going to do the same to orange in our outer corner. Look how pretty that is. So now we're going to take the yellow and just kind of go back over. All right, so real quick intermission, pause. I don't know how my makeup is turning out. I don't really like it, but hey, we're gonna thug it out. So I bought some stuff last week from a place on Instagram. It's called JLarue Cosmetics. I know you can't see that because it's clear, whatever. I bought this Glitz Fix. This is to put your glitter on. Then I bought a glitter. It's iridescent. It's so pretty. It's for prom season, for real. But this is called Fairy Dust. And it's like a big deal if y'all go to their Instagram page. They do everybody makeup with this fairy dust. It's so pretty. And then I bought this white gold. And you can't see that either. Okay, there we go. A little bit. I don't know, my light bright. Dang light. What's your life? Anyways, I'm going to wear this white gold today. I'm going to put it on top of this shimmery pearl color that I have on right now. So we're just gonna take JLarue's glitter fix, glit fix, however you say it, and put that on our lid. And then we're gonna put our white gold pigment on top of it, just so we make sure it sticks very well and you can see it. Y'all, look at this. Look at this glitter. It got a little better than the light had. The light moved or whatever. Okay, I'll just show y'all. I'll show a clip. That's how I do. I'll show a clip. Alright, so I went ahead and put on my foundation. I put it in little dots like I normally do. I'm going to take my foundation brush, spread with my setting spray, and just go ahead and blend that in all over. After I blend it, I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and just kind of press it into my face so that my face can look polished. I'm also going to take my Shape Tape and put on my concealer. I am on spring break and I have not been to sleep before 2 o'clock a.m. So I need this concealer because I have bags for days. After we put it on and I dance a little bit, I'm going to just kind of pack it into my skin and use my beauty blender and my setting spray to blend it in to my skin. And I'm going to take my translucent powder from Mercier again and set that concealer. Disclaimer, I look real white on camera, y'all, but I'm really my actual color though. And I really want to show y'all because it really looks terrible on camera to me. It looks like, oh, she's auditioning to be a ghost. But it really doesn't look like that in real life. But it's okay though. I'll show y'all. Y'all will see it. Y'all will see it. Yeah. Y'all will see it. It's eyeliner time. Okay, so I'm taking my Tartiest, the blackest clay paint. I cannot talk. And I'm going to go ahead and do a wing liner. So, surprisingly, I hated the first eye, and the second eye was, like, gorgeous to me. Unfortunately, I showed y'all me doing the first eye, but it's okay, though. So, I just winged it out. It took forever to do. But there it is. Thick in the back, thin in the front, wing tip. I hated it. So then I took my lashes and I went ahead and applied those. And these are the same lashes that I've been applying on all of my videos that I love so very much that I won't tell y'all where I got them from. But I love them so very much. In every video, y'all, I feel myself a little bit. And this was me. I was feeling myself. I was cute. It was coming together.
It don't make money, it don't make sense. That nigga ain't had no money, he ain't seen me since. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's so funny to me because I think I'm a city girl, y'all. Like, I really think that I'm part of the group. Like, I'm a city girl. Anyways, so I'm taking my white eyeliner and I'm just lining the bottom of my eyes. I'm not doing a neat job or anything because I'm going to actually use that right here to go over the white with the colors I use at the top of my lid. First the pink, then the pearl, and then the orange in the outer corner, just to match the top. It gives it a different look, you guys. And if you don't have time for this step, skip it. It's not even that deep, but it's really pretty when it comes all together. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and take my Sun Bunny by Too Faced. I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face, y'all, because I do feel like I look like a ghost. And you see, like, right there in my cheek.
Pull up in the demon on God. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Pull up in the demon on God. Looking like I still do fraud.
I was trying to say my cheek changed color, but anyways. So now I'm going ahead and doing my contour all over my face, my nose, my cheeks. Pull up in that demon on board. That's so weird. That's setting spray, guys. Spray and set it. Alright, now I'm going to take my Kholé and Malika palette. And I thought I was going to do my highlight first, but I forgot my blush. So I went ahead and put my blush on. And then now we're going to highlight. So I'm going to highlight a couple times, y'all, on this video because I like to be a strobe light. And so I highlighted my nose, my Cupid's bow, which is above your lip. I did my chin, my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and under my eyelids. I am now priming my lips with the lingerie, the NYX lingerie. Get ready for my tip of the day. Let me help y'all out a little bit. Okay, so when you're doing your lipstick, and I know right now I look like it's not powder, but when you're doing it, you don't think about it. You're like, oh, let me just cake this stuff on so it'll stay on the whole time. But let me tell y'all, the easy way to get stuff on your teeth is to leave it like this, okay? What you need to do is you need to take your finger. This one's kind of dirty. I'm going to use this one. So take your finger. And get it off. You see all that stuff on my finger? That would have been on your girl's lip. Ain't got time, on your teeth. Ain't got time for it. Okay, so tip of the day. Tip of the day. Okay. That was a great tip. You don't want stuff on your teeth. Alright, so now I'm taking my lip liner, and I believe this is in the color Cork by MAC. And then we're just gonna put some MAC lip gloss on top of it. We're gonna go ahead and do our under eye, and then we're going to add some more highlighter to our lip. This is the Urban Decay highlighter. Set that thing, and now you're done, you guys. I think I look gorgeous. Y'all, please like, subscribe, and comment. Share this. Send it to somebody. Show it to your boss.